How to create a table of contents in Canva. To create a table of contents in Canva, on Canva's homepage, make sure to search for table of contents here in the search box. And then click on table of contents here to see all the templates. Now if you're on a Canva free plan, I highly suggest you to go to all filters here, then scroll down a bit, and under price make sure to filter for free. Then click on apply. Next, choose any of these table of contents templates. We will go with this lovely pastel pink table of contents. Simply click on it and then click on customize this template. Now all that is left for you to do at this point is to customize the table of contents to your needs. This is very easy. In case you would like to edit some text, you can simply double click on it and then enter the new text. You can also left click and drag on any of these numbers here to reposition them. The same obviously also goes for any text on it here. Then here in the left sidebar you could click on photos, for example, and add some nice photos from there. You can simply click on it to add it to your canvas. Then resize and reposition. You can also add new text by simply pressing T on your keyboard. And once you're happy with the changes, to download your table of contents, simply click on share in the upper right corner of the screen and then click on download, choose the file type and click on download again. Now if you would like to add more pages to your content, you would simply click here on add page. But how can you actually make sure that these page numbers that you're setting here in the table of contents will then also appear on your pages? To find out, make sure to watch the next video on this channel where I go in depth about how to add page numbers in Canva.